Hey, my name's Aaron. I live in this camper with my dog. The other day I had a problem with my Mr. Buddy heater. I've used it reliably for years. It's awesome. It is so worth the money. And I have the adapter to hook it up to a 20-pound propane tank. But it just wouldn't light the other day and it kept sputtering and making weird gurgling sounds. So I did some quick Googling and I found some solutions that I'm going to share with you real quick so if you can get yours working, because these things will last forever if you take care of them. So what the issue for me was when I turned it on, I did the pilot light thing. This is the version I have. There's a couple different ones, but this is the Mr. Heater. The pilot light would not stay lit, and there was a very subtle gurgling sound coming out. I used my 20-pound tank. I used this tank. I thought maybe there was air in the line. I held this down and purged all the air I could. Nothing worked. But like I said, I Googled it, and I'll show you what I did. So with the fuel tank removed, what you want to do is take it and turn it up to max. You want to do this in a well-ventilated area. There shouldn't be much left in the line, but safety first always. And all I did was I just put it on its side, and you're just going to let it chill that way for 3-4 hours overnight if you can. And of course, before reattaching our gas canister, we want to make sure we turn it back into the off position, reinstall our canister, do the little pilot light thingy, if it'll cooperate. Of course it's not because I'm filming it. Okay, take two. Go to pilot, let a little bit of the air out, and boom. And you're meant to run it for 30 seconds holding it down, but we're not going to wait that long. And my favorite part, and there we go. She's running like a dream. Me and my dog can stay nice and warm. Always leave this attended. Do not ever leave it just burning anywhere. I don't care how fireproof your house is. Also, a carbon monoxide detector is a must. But yeah, another huge tip. If you can, get one of the fuel filters, whether you're using a 20-pound tank or a 1-pound tank. They're about 15-20 bucks. I'll show you in a second. But part of the reason why this didn't work was it was stored on its back, unhooked up for a while. That allowed some gunk and the impurities that come from the propane to get into the lines and settle. That's why that gurgling sound occurs, because there's a blockage and it can't really get it out, which turning on its side allows all that stuff to kind of just flow out and get out of the way. So I hope this worked for you, and I hope you stay warm this winter. Thanks for watching.